Alright guys, in today's video we're going to be looking at different contour types within FlexiPRINT. But before that, let's have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We make short and easy to watch problem solving videos, and we also have daily updates. Now if we head into the program here, so this is going to be a mini series on contour types, or should I rather say contour cut. And it is important that we don't mistake it for the arrange contour, but I'll quickly show you guys the difference. But before that, let's just create a few shapes. So I'm going to make a rectangle, let's make an oval or circle as well, and then a custom shape with the draw tool. So from the drop down menu, select the draw tool, and let's just make some custom shape. Just rearrange this so we have some white space between them. Okay, so now, like I mentioned, this must not be confused with the contour cut from the range menu. So the main difference, let me just zoom in here so we can have a zoom operator. So I'm going to select this oval here. So the one from the range menu, if we go contour cut over there, make contour cut, it will turn our shape into a contour. Now, it is important to note the difference. So the other one will add us a contour around our shape. This one will make our actual shape a contour. So this one is great if you're looking for a unique contour. Then you can draw a custom shape and turn that shape into a contour. Where the next one we're going to be showing, if you want to keep your shape but add a contour and you can maybe have an offset or so, then you can use that one. So I'm just going to undo that with Control Z. Now let's go to our actual contour under Effects. So once again, just to locate it on your main menu on top, go to Effects, and you'll see we have this option here, Contour Cut. Now, the thing that sets this apart, if we want to set this contour, once we click it on our Design Central here on the right, you will see we have some options pop up. Now, by default, it might be under the top one, Contour. At the moment, I've got mine set to Ellipse, so it's like a form of oval. Now, you can simply just go here in the viewport and drag these arms to set it accordingly. If you choose a corner one, it will keep the proportions similar. And then here we go. So you can set your contour, choose how far you want away from your shape. Then a very important thing, if you want to confirm it, just make sure you click this little right arrow on the Design Central panel. If you press Escape, then it's going to cancel it. I think if you press Enter, it confirms it as well. Yeah, there we go. So you can press Enter as a quick shortcut, but otherwise just click the little green arrow and it will add a contour for you. So now the next one on our list of the types, we're going to go to Effects again, go Contour Cut, and then as you might notice that you can actually apply an oval or a ellipse to different shapes. So I can add it to the square if I want it, and then I can also scale it up so we cover all the borders. So let's say you have a different type of design and you want to have an oval cut for it, you can do that. But I'm just going to go here on the drop down menu and then we go to rectangle. So this will be the second option or the middle option. There we go, rectangle. And likewise, now we can adjust this and so we have a nice breathing area. But like I mentioned, make sure you press Enter or click this little green arrow. Otherwise it will cancel that contour for you. Then the last one on our list, we have this custom shape. Now this one is best if you're going to use the contour type itself. So let's just quickly go there again. So we go Effects, we go Contour Cut. And then under the type on top here, we're going to go to Contour. And if I click this, it's going to take the shape. And we have a nice little control arm here that we can use. You can either set where the contour is going to be working from. So maybe if you have two shapes to close or you want like a nice breathable area, you can just move it there. And then if we click this and we drag it, as you can see here, it will adjust the contour for us. Now, my personal preference is you just keep it on contour, the first one, unless you're looking for anything specific, because the beauty, like I say, with the first one is we can create any shape here. Let's create another one. Oops, go to the rectangle. Create a rectangle. If it is on contour, now if I go, I'm going to go do this quick, add a contour, you'll see now it's turned into a rectangle. press enter, select this one, do the same, effects, contour cut. Now you will see it creates a rectangle around this. Now obviously you can try and make these corners sharper and so forth, but in general this will be a great default to use. To make the corner sharper is easy, but we're going to cover that in another video. But yeah, otherwise that is it on the contour types. Very handy, like if you know you're going to be working with a specific shape for all your or specific cut for all your designs, then you can always set it up to one of these. Otherwise, if you just want to have a generic type contour around the shape, then just leave it on the first option. But yeah, in the meanwhile though, if we head here to softwaretraining.co.za, you guys will notice we've got a variety of different softwares we do cover, and you can also isolate your search on the top right. If you do not, however, find the training videos you're looking for, just simply go here, request a training video, fill in the mini form, and then we'll do our best to try and make that for you. But otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.